This is the first part of a trend following strategy based on our previous video on trend following techniques. We will be developing multiple strategies using the same technique, which involves following the trend with the moving average ribbon and using another indicator as an entry filter. Let's begin. If you haven't watched our last video, please do so first. The link can be found in the description. By the way, in this strategy, we will be using the simple moving average 50 and 100 ribbon to identify the trend, and the relative strength index as our entry point indicator. To add the indicators, go to the indicator menu. For the moving average ribbon, use the indicator by more DID. Set the input type to simple, fast SMA 50, slow SMA 100, and ensure that both methods are closed. Next, search for the default RSI in the indicator search bar. Edit the settings to set the RSI length to 14 and source to close. The MA settings are not necessary. In the Style section, uncheck RSI-based MA and set the RSI upper band to 65 and RSI lower band to 35. Click OK, and we are done with the settings for now. Now, let's establish some rules to understand the trend. 1. Never trade within the ribbon. Only trade outside the ribbon. Most of the time, the market will be moving sideways when it is within the ribbon. 2. When the price is above the upper band, it indicates an uptrend in the market. 3. When the price is below the lower band, it indicates a downtrend in the market. We are now ready to catch the trend. Let's set up some rules to filter our entry points using the RSI. 1. When the RSI line crosses the 50 level, it signifies a change in market momentum. If it crosses 50 upwards, it suggests an upward momentum, and vice versa. We will not trade if the market price is between the SMA bands. We will only enter a trade when the price crosses the RSI 50 level and also crosses the upper or lower band. It is even better if there is a double rejection from the upper or lower band. 2. The second rule is to take a trade when the RSI line crosses the 35 or 65 level, and at the same time, the market price is below or above the 35 or 65 level, respectively. For example, if the RSI is crossing the 65 level and the market price is above the upper band, it can be considered a long entry. Now, let's talk about money management. No strategy is foolproof or guarantees 100% winning trades. Therefore, it is important to use proper money management techniques to secure our investments. 1. Use an appropriate lot size based on your investment. 2. Placing a stop loss is mandatory. 3. Consider using take profit levels or exit trades with a profit. 4. Using a break-even point is a good idea, but be aware that sometimes the market may hit your break-even and then move in the direction you predicted. Now, let's look at some examples. If you are interested in learning more about trend following strategies using the moving average ribbon, please feel free to comment below. Thank you and happy trading.